Traditional budgeting often focuses on inputs, but what if funding decisions were directly tied to results? This is performance-based budgeting, or PBB. It enhances accountability, improves efficiency, and ensures every dollar contributes to strategic goals. Today, we explore PBB's principles, implementation, advantages, and challenges. Get ready to discover how PBB transforms financial management into a powerful strategic tool. Let's begin our journey into funding for results. What is performance-based budgeting? PBB links funding to measurable results. Unlike traditional incremental budgeting, PBB demands every expenditure be justified by its expected contribution to specific predefined outcomes. It's not just about how much money you spend, but what you achieve. This approach compels organizations to define objectives, identify activities, and allocate resources based on anticipated performance. This strategic alignment ensures resources are directed towards initiatives delivering the greatest value and impact. Core principles of PBB, the foundation of accountability. PBB is built upon several foundational principles. Focus on outcomes and results. PBB emphasizes achieving results, not just consuming resources. This means defining clear, measurable outcomes for every program. For example, instead of budgeting for training expenses, PBB budgets for improved employee productivity by X%. This outcome-driven mindset aligns resources with strategic objectives. Linkage of funding to performance. A critical aspect of PBB is connecting budget allocations to demonstrated performance. Organizations meeting targets may receive increased funding. Underperformers might see budgets reduced. This incentivizes efficiency and effectiveness, fostering continuous improvement and accountability. Accountability and transparency. PBB promotes greater accountability by clearly defining objectives and measuring performance. It's easier to identify who is responsible for results. Transparency allows stakeholders to see how funds are used and their impact, building trust and showing organizational effectiveness. Data-driven decision-making. Effective PBB relies on robust data. Performance indicators must be accurately measured and data used to inform budgeting. This shifts budgeting from subjective judgments to evidence-based resource allocation, requiring reliable systems for tracking and reporting progress. How PBB works, a step-by-step guide to implementation. Implementing PBB involves a systematic process. Step 1, define goals and objectives, strategic alignment. Clearly define SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, strategic goals. Every program must align its activities and outcomes with these goals, ensuring all efforts contribute to the larger mission. Step 2, identify key performance indicators. Identify KPIs to measure progress. KPIs are quantifiable metrics reflecting program success. For example, customer retention rate for customer satisfaction. KPIs must be relevant, reliable, and measurable. Step 3, establish performance targets. Set specific, challenging, yet realistic performance targets for each KPI. These represent desired achievement levels within a budget period, encouraging continuous improvement. Step 4, allocate resources based on performance. Resources are allocated based on programs' expected or demonstrated ability to meet targets. Programs with proven results or strong proposals are prioritized. This direct link between funding and performance is PBB's differentiator. Step 5, monitor, evaluate, and report performance. Continuously monitor and evaluate performance against KPIs and targets. Regular reports detail progress, concerns, and successes. This feedback allows timely adjustments, with transparency maintaining accountability. Step 6, adjust and refine. PBB is dynamic. Review and adjust budgets, goals, KPIs, and targets based on performance. This feedback loop allows learning, strategy refinement, and adaptation, ensuring the budgeting process remains effective and relevant. Advantages of PBB offers numerous advantages: improved accountability, enhanced efficiency and effectiveness, better resource allocation, increased transparency, and a strong focus on results. Disadvantages and challenges of PBB. Challenges include difficulty defining measuring performance, complex data collection, potential for unintended consequences, gaming, resistance to change, and high initial implementation costs. Who benefits from PBB? PBB suits public sector organizations, nonprofits, large corporations, or any entity seeking greater accountability and efficiency. PBB is a powerful approach, shifting budgeting from tracking expenses to strategically investing in outcomes. Despite implementation challenges, its benefits in accountability, efficiency, and strategic alignment make it a valuable tool for organizations committed to measurable results.